refraction through a glass prism. Let us say this is a prism, light ray travel like this, as it is the normal, instead of travelling in a straight line, it bend towards the normal, that means rarer to denser medium. As this is the normal, instead of travelling like this, it will bend away from the, this is the normal, it will bend away from the normal. It's okay. This is the normal, this is the normal. This is angle of incidence, this is angle of incidence. This is the normal, this is the refracted ray, so this is angle of refraction. This diagram is on your book, you can also write from the book also, A, B, C, D. You know which rays are what. This is the incident ray, AB is incident ray, BC is refracted ray, CD is emergent ray. This is angle I, this is angle R, and here this is the normal. This angle, this is known as angle of emergent. This angle is known as angle of the prism. Let us say this is A. So, incident angle, refracted angle, angle of the prism, and this is angle of emergent. Just simply learn the diagram, which is what, okay. After that we will discuss it. Dispersion of light through a glass prism. This is a prism, light ray travel like this. From this part, this is the normal, you know, it will bend towards the normal like this. Actually what will happen, here if you pass the white light, then the white light will get splitted here and form a band of color. Further this band of color further split more, okay. This is violet, this is red. Vibgyor, V-I-B-Y-O-R. As red color has longer wavelength, its deviation is less. As violet has less wavelength, it will deviate more. It's okay. Since red color has longer wavelength, it deviates less, means red color light mainly used as fog light or tail lamp or etc. etc. In fog light nowadays they are using high intense light, but in case of trail lamp, backside lamp, they are red color light, that means they less scatter, can visible to a longer distance. Also you are able to know that when you displace from any bright light, it will looks yellow then red, that means larger distance lights they are looking you as red. The stars are also looking red due to this reason that the red color is least scatter. Laser light is red color, that is least scatter, okay. This is the spectrum or color band formed, okay. That means a white color is mixture of 7 colors. If you further, that means in two inverted prism, if you pass the light ray like this, it will split like this and further they recombined. And further they form white light. That means here they split and they recombine to produce white light. It means white light is a mixture of 7 colors. This phenomenon also given by Newton in the color wheel experiment. In a wheel he makes 7 parts and gives the 7 colors in different parts and revolve it more rapidly, and he noticed that a white color is formed. Also another phenomenon is there, that is persistency of vision. That means the image of any object remain in your eye for 1/14 second, or in some book it is 1/16 second. That means if a picture is visible to you and it is removed, the image is remain in your eye for 1/16 second. So within this time interval, if the picture is again in front of your eye, then you are not able to detect that the picture is removed from your eye. Using this phenomenon mainly used in cinematography. So, in a film shooting actually what they are doing, they are minimum 20, more than 20 pictures they are shooted in 1 second. That means they show you minimum 20 pictures. You have seen the picture Tare Zameen Par. In that picture you notice that in a book, if you put this page like this and you notice that the boy was moving away, that means in one page the picture is in little bit close inner, then little bit outer, little bit outer, little bit outer, little bit outer like this, and if you move the page like this, then the boy will moving away. It is visible to you. Actually this is persistency of vision. That means in 1 second if you show minimum more than 20 pictures, then it will create the motion picture. Okay. At a time, in a second or fraction of a second, if you shoot a picture, it will show you the still concept or still picture. But number of pictures continuously show to you means the motion in this like this. The motion, let us say I am boxing this, it will take 2 seconds. In between this, if you shoot 20 to 30 pictures and show it in that 2 seconds, the motion will continue like this. Similarly, in the color wheel experiment, he moved the wheel more speedily, that means the 7 colors overlap with each other and it will produce you white light. It's okay.